Hi, do you like to earn $450 from a new website automatic for free? Yeah, this is the earn money for free opportunity right now that I'm going to reveal in this video, that you have to just follow me accordingly to earn that amount of money without any problem. Before I show the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn $450 from a new website that I'm about to show you right now, and it will give you a good opportunity to earn money right now. So the website that I'm about to show you is called buffer.com. Yeah, you heard it or not, but it's buffer.com social media management website. This is a very cool website and top tier website that provides services to all the users or social media managers who manage their social media accounts with ease. And this is a very cool way, as Buffer is the most intuitive, affordable and authentic way to reach more people on social media, because without it you cannot manage your social media accounts perfectly. You have to stay in this competitive world. You have to manage your social media accounts, social media followers, answers those customers, and build a base to promote your products and grow your business. So you definitely need to work with your social media accounts, but by yourself maintaining a business, you cannot get that time to manage all your social media accounts. So there Buffer comes in and make your life a lot more easier and profitable by managing your social media accounts. So if you just go over to buffer.com and you can scroll down and you can see that they have a super quality service for social media management, and this is a really awesome. People's all around the world using this and loving this, and this is getting popular day by day. You can see that they are in 10 years in business, and they are partnered with Facebook, Pinterest and LinkedIn and most on all the leaders around the world. And this is really awesome site to start using if you need social media management. So how we can get started and earn money with that? Before we earn money with Buffer, we need to get started with by registering it. So we just click on get started now. If I click on get started now button, it will show something like this. They have two options right now. At the moment they have free and essentials. So we are not going to use free options right now, so we are going to paid options too. Okay, wait, you do not have to pay any money to start earning money with this method. Just stay with me, listen to me carefully and do as I say you to do. So if I go over there, you can see that they are asking $5 per month per social channel. So this is very important. So if every channel you manage with buffer.com, you have to pay $5 per month, and they have a 14-day free trial. So this is very cool way to start earning money, because let me listen to me, just go over there, click on try free for 14 days and you are good to go with that. So you just click on it, register an account there and start your 2 weeks free trial with buffer.com. And then what are we going to do? We are going to sell social media management service. Yeah, but wait, we're not going to go to the popular freelancers like fiverr.com. We are going to introduce you a new but low competition freelancing site. But before that, if you are liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always stay with my videos and my methods. So let's jump back into actions. The site that we are going to promote or provide our service is 5squid.com. 5squid.com. This is the site, this is the comparatively newer freelancer site that you can start working right now and get going with your earn money online goal. So what's the catch here? If you just go over to fiverr.com and search for social media management like this. So if I move on to show you the fiverr.com, and I have searched there social media manager. So what we found here, we are getting right now, if I'm searching it, it's showing me 34,000 services that are available that are related to social media manager. So this is a really competitive area and is oversaturated right now in this field. So working with this concept on fiverr.com, it's not going to work that well right now. So we are going to target newer freelancer sites that are comparatively new, but people are knowing it, but they have lot less freelancers out there, so competitions is very less there. So we choose 5squid.com, and if I go over to their search section and search for social media manager there, you can see that they have already some few gigs out there already, but they are not like fiverr.com, not like these are some few freelancers selling their service there, and you have a better chance if you start right now in this website. You can see this site is just getting popular day by day, and you have to start right now if you just want to start getting orders right away. This is the biggest chance for you. If I just go over to any gigs there, and you can see that people are asking for like $50, 50 euro here, so it's like 60 to 70 dollar per social media account management. So this is a really crazy amount, and you can just go over there and post your gigs and start earning money right away. So all you have to do is just follow any post and submit your post after you join. When you click on this join button, it will show something like this. It's just asking for your email, or you can just sign up with your Facebook, Google or Twitter account to start posting jobs into 5squid.com. So just join there, post your gigs, and you have a better chance to get more buyers than fiverr.com, because this is not saturated and not many people know about these websites, but it's getting popular day by day. So if you start right now, and then after some months, couple of months in future, it gets popular or similar like fiverr.com, then imagine your positions here as you have started earlier, and then you can just skyrocket your earning for that time. But right now, you just jump back into these websites and find more related websites, newer freelancer websites like this, so that you can double or triple your chances to get buyers, get orders from this. And when you just get orders like any social media management service, you just go over to buffer.com and just pay $5 per social accounts per month, and you are good to go with that. But let me show, if you just get 10 orders for 10 social media accounts, then if you just ask for $50 for those 10 accounts management, you will get $500 for that. So for that $500, if you just go over to buffer.com, for those 10 social accounts, they will cut $50 from that amount. So you have $450 in your pocket, pure profit, without lifting a finger, without doing any hard work. So this is really awesome. This is why I'm telling you that you can earn $450 or even more. It's just an example. You can earn even more money with this without any problem. It's totally automatic and free for you if you just get your first order and you get paid and you pay the money, no money from your pocket. So this is a really good way to start earning money right now. You can just Google it for other newer freelancer sites. I can show you some sites, like you can go to remotechjobs.com. This is a comparatively very new freelancer site that you can just start right now. You can go over to cloudpeeps.com. It's also a very good but very trusted and fast growing site that you can jump back right in. You can go over to freeup.net. This is also a new freelancer website that you can work with right now. And also you can just go to speedlancer.com and you can start posting jobs here, and these sites are comparatively newer than fiverr.com, so there is a bigger chance that you get more orders in upcoming days without any problem. And no matter what, you just have 2 weeks for that. It's for free. You just have to join buffer.com and post your gigs there and wait for 2 weeks. And you definitely, if you just follow my instructions, you will get orders. Then your earning money begins and you just get more jobs and you pay fee to buffer.com and get your profit, pure profit. And this is the way you can start earning money right now. All you have to do is just be active and then money will follow you definitely. So this is it, guys. If you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.